a superfood packed with vitamins and mineral. Today I'm going to make it into a protein-rich snack, and the best part is it's completely oil-free. Additionally, I'm going to add sun-dried tomatoes and roasted cumin powder. This is going to enhance the flavor. It's great for you and kids are going to love it. Welcome to Shine with Shobs. This channel is all about making you shine with my healthy diet and building your emotional strength. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any new updates from me. Preheat the air fryer for 5 minutes. Let's begin by roasting cumin seeds. Add 1 tablespoon of cumin seed to the basket. Air fry for 10 minutes under 370 Fahrenheit. Make sure to check in between. Halfway through, give it a good shake. You can easily dry roast in a pan. Today I'm using air fryer. It's turned out beautiful. I'm going to grind it to a fine powder for later use. Now add 1 pound of broccoli. To this I'm adding 6 cups of spinach. This might look a lot, but it's going to reduce after roasting. I'm also adding 2 medium-sized onion diced. Gently press it and air fry for 6 minutes first under 370 Fahrenheit. Spinach is going to reduce more than 10% of its size. You won't even realize. Halfway through, give it a good mix. See how it has reduced already. And now air fry for another 4 minutes. So in total, it took me 10 minutes to air fry. Wow, this is perfect. The spinach and broccoli are cooked well. Look at the size, it's reduced half in size. See, the broccoli florets are not burnt and it's perfect. After roasting the vegetables in the air fryer, let it cool down, and then using a food processor, I'm going to grind it for just 3 to 4 seconds. Not more than that, because I just need this crumbly texture to make cutlets. I'm also grinding mint chutney to go along with it. Link is in the description below. To the ground mixture, I'm adding 2 cups of moong dal flour or lentil flour, which is easily available online or any Indian store, and it's going to make this a high protein snack. Green chilies, roasted cumin powder, garam masala, pink Himalayan rock salt, crushed black pepper. Now comes the sun-dried tomatoes. Make sure to chop them fine before adding to the mixture. Give it a good mix. Now take a small portion in your hand to check if the mixture is binding well. If not, you may add in more moong dal flour. This is perfect. I'm going to make a decent size cutlet. You may shape however you wish. Call it burger, patty, cutlet, fritters. I got 18 pieces out of it. Now air fry the cutlets in batches. Make sure there is space in between each cutlet. I'm going to air fry for 10 minutes under 370 Fahrenheit first. It's turning out beautiful. Flip each piece around and air fry for another 8 to 10 minutes under 370 Fahrenheit. Wow, what a beauty! Turned out absolutely gorgeous. Do give it a try. This turned out crispy and absolutely delicious. Protein-rich snack to entertain your family and friends. Nice and hot. Look at the steam coming out of it. Wow. Yummy. You can serve it with mint chutney. The way I like is I add some mint chutney and add a piece of sun-dried tomato on it. Serve it with plenty of love and make your family and friends relish this delicacy with each bite. If you enjoy this recipe, do share it with your friends. Stay tuned for another exciting recipe and don't forget to shine with Shobs.